Hello world, welcome to DCodeMania. I am Sahil and you are watching 13th video of the project User Management System with Admin Panel. And in previous videos, you have seen that how I have designed this home page and make all the action functional. Now today in this video, I'm going to start the design of profile page. Okay. But before start designing the profile page, first I will add a line of code in home.php file to display a loading text until these nodes loaded into this page from the server. Okay, so let's open the project. So here you can see this is the home.php file. So let's come here in this div, and here I will create a p tag with some class like text center, lead and margin top 5. Okay, and here I will write please wait text. Okay, now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see please wait text is displaying until all the nodes are loaded from the database and displayed here. Okay, now what I will do next is I will design this profile page. So let's open the project again, and here just click this profile.php file and let's remove this line first. Now first what I will do is here I will create a container div. So just create a container div first. Now inside this container I will create a row, and I will also use justify content center to make the column in center of the page. So here I will use div call lg10, and inside this column I will create a card div. Okay, so just use card, and I will also use rounded 0, margin top 3 and border primary. Okay, now inside this div I will create card header. So I will use div card header and border primary. Okay, now inside this card header I will use here tab navigation bar. Okay, so for this I will use ul tag, and here I will write nav tabs and card header tabs. Okay, now inside this ul I will I will create some tabs. So for this I will use li tag, and here in class I will use nav item. Okay, and inside this li tag I will use anchor tag, and in href attribute here I will write some id like profile, and I will not use this title attribute, so just remove. Here in class I will use nav link, make this active, and font weight will be bold. One more attribute data toggle equal to tab. Okay, now here just write profile. If we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see one tab is showing here. Okay, profile. Now similarly like this tab I will create two more tabs. So just copy the li tag, paste. Now this tab will be for edit profile, so just write edit profile id, and just change this text also edit profile. Now this will be for change password, so just write change pass, and here also just write change password. Now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then let's remove the active class from this and this anchor tag, and if you refresh here, then you can see three tabs are displaying here. Now uh, let's design the content of this profile tab. Okay, so if we come here, then let's create a let's create the card body. So div card body, and here in this body again I will use div uh, and class tab content. Okay, and in this I will again use a div with class tab pane, and that this will be container, and make this tab a container active, and here I will use id that will be profile. Okay, now make sure you have to use the same id that you have given here in tab anchor tag. Okay, so so this means this tab will target this tab container. Okay, so now in this div I will use a div card deck. Okay, now in this card deck I will create two card. Okay, so div card card, and here I will use border primary, and let's create one more card. Now in first card I will display the details of currently logged in user. Okay, so first here I will display the user id of the of an user. Okay, so here I will create div card header and bg primary text light text center lead. Okay, and here in this div I will write user id, and here I will use php shorthand tag, and here I will use variable $cid. Okay, now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see user id showing 5. Okay, now I am using this variable here because if we come to the top of this profile.php file, then here we have already included this header.php file. Now if we open the header.php file, then here we have included this session.php file, and if we click this session.php file, then all the variable are declared here in session.php file, like cid, cname, cpass, cphone, cemail. Okay, so we will use these variable in profile.php file to display the details of an user. Okay, so let's close this session.php file, and here what I will do next is I will create div card body. Okay, now inside this card body I will use p tag to display the details of to display the name of the user. Okay, so here in class I will use card text, and padding will be 2, margin will be 1, and make this rounded. Okay, here I will also use some custom css, so just use style tag, and here I will use border 1 pixel solid, and color will be 0275d8. okay, and here I will use b tag for bold, so just here write name, and here I will use php shorthand tag and just use cname for name. Now if you save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the name of the user, currently logged in user. Now just copy the same p tag. Now here I will display the email, so just write email here, email, and here just change the variable c email. Okay, c email. If you save this and go to the browser, then here you can see the email of the user. Now let's again paste. Now this time I will display the gender of the user, so just write gender and here c gender. Okay, now again I will display the date of birth, so just write date of birth and here just write CDOB. Okay, paste, and here I will display the phone. Okay, so just write phone and here C phone. Okay, now again I will display the registered on, so just write registered on. So when when an user is registered, was registered, we will display the date here. Okay, so if we just use created variable here, and if we come here and refresh, then here in gender you can see nothing is displaying, and in date of birth also and phone also, because we have not updated these details in users table. Okay, so in registered on you can see a time stamp is displaying with date and time. Okay, so here I will only display the formatted date. Okay, so for this what I will do is just come here and go to session.php file, and here what I will do is, you can see I have already declared a variable created, and inside this created variable I am storing the time stamp. Okay, so here I will create a variable reg underscore on, and here I will use date function, and I will format the date only. Okay, so for this I only require date, month and year. Okay, and here I will use strto time function. Here I will pass this created variable. Okay, now if we use this array reg underscore on in profile.php file here, then let's see what happens. Now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the date is now formatted and showing 17 Feb 2020. Okay, so now next what I will do is I will just display that email is verified or not. Okay, so here just paste one more time, and here I will write email verified. Okay, and here I will write verified variable, and if we refresh, then here we can see email verified, not verified. Okay, so in this case here in right side I will display a link to verify now. Okay, so let's come here, and what I will do next is just here I will again use PHP tags, and here I will check a condition if verified is equal to not verified, then we will display a anchor tag. So just write a tag, and Here in title just remove this, and I'll use id verify email. Okay, and in class I will use float right. Okay, here I will write verify now text, and I will just close the if statement. So here just use end if. Now we have to clear the float, so here I will use div clear fix. Okay, now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see a link verified now is displaying here. Okay, now in the case when email is verified, then we will so this link will not display here, and in case of not verified, this link will be display here. So in upcoming videos we will see how to verify a email by this link. Okay, now here in this card I will display a dummy profile image until an user update his profile image into the database. Okay, so for this I have already downloaded a sample image. Here you can see I have downloaded this sample image, profile image from the Google. So you can download by just writing avatar in Google image and download. Now let's cut this from here and open your project directory. So this is my project directory, user-system. Now open assets folder. Now create a new folder here, img. Okay, now inside this folder just paste this avatar and close. Now let's open this again here. Now inside this card what I will do next is I will use PHP tags, and here I will check if there is no photo updated by the user, then here I will use exclamation mark and then variable c photo. Okay, c photo, and if there is no photo is uploaded by an user, then we will display the dummy image. So here I will use img tag, and in src I will write assets slash img slash avatar dot png. Okay, and here just remove this alt attribute, and in class I will use img thumbnail. Okay, and img fluid, and here I will also use width of the image, that will be 408 pixel. Okay, and what I will do next is here I will use PHP and end. Here I will use else. Okay, in else what I will do is if image is updated by an user, then we will display the updated image from the database. So for this what I will do is here I will again use the same img tag, and in src I will use php shorthand tag, and here I will write assets slash php slash, and here concatenate with the variable c photo. Okay, c photo, and then just remove this alt tag from here and use class img class img thumbnail, and img fluid. Okay, and make width 408 pixel. Okay, now here I will close the php end if. Okay, end if. Now if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the you can see the dummy profile image. Let's make this vertically center. So for this, what I will do is, in this card here I will use align self center. Now if we refresh this, then here you can see the image is now center vertically. Okay, so this is the design of profile tab. Now in next video I will show you how to design the content of this edit profile tab and change password tab. Okay, so that's it for this video. uh, Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video and also subscribe my channel. See you soon in next video.